Do you want to know how you can log into your One Stop Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your One Stop Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for One Stop Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official login portal of One Stop Stores, which is your One Stop Payroll account. Now, what you need to do is sign in with your organizational account. Go ahead and write down your email address or your organizational email address over here on the first box. After you write down your email address, go to the second box and write down your password. As you write down your password, make sure you check it once by clicking on this button over here. Make sure that your account is there on One Stop and make sure that your username and password matches your account. Go ahead and click sign in after that and then you can successfully sign into your One Stop Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.